Hello everyone, Discombobulated here. Wow, I made my way up into the Wasatch Mountains today, and I came further than I've ever gone before. There was this big rock situation that I really wanted to explore. And our weather's just been incredible here in Utah, and I just figured, now's the moment, and I just wanted to share that things are going better. I don't know what's happened. I don't know what's happened in my mind. I don't know if it's just been praying or getting a few things done, like a resume and a cover letter, and I've had some encouragement from some friends, and I kind of have a plan and an idea of how to make it down there in the civilized world again, or a sort of a path. And then a kind of a new thing happened to me too, where I just feel like I kind of turned my my will and myself over to God or Jesus, God and Jesus. Because I just wasn't doing a very good job on my own, and I just kind of figured, why not? Why not just go with the flow if I just let God steer me and open doors for me? And that, I don't know, it just seems like I got nothing to lose there. And there's something about it that's been really energizing too. I can't even explain it. I almost feel like a brand new person lately. Something's really overtaken me that's wonderful. And I don't know. There's something, too, about getting out where it's quiet and just getting some time in the sun. I don't know. I just feel like that's better than almost any other kind of medicine, maybe. Yeah, speaking of medicine, I almost hate to talk about the world down there, but I have an appointment to get my testosterone tested. And so I'm really curious about that. I think that's going to happen Tuesday. And but the doctor told me a couple of things too. He said, like, being overweight lowers your testosterone. So I figure I'm like 20 pounds overweight or something like that. So I'm just going to keep working at that. And I've been getting a lot more exercise, so I think that's helping. And yeah. Well, I think that's it. It's kind of strange to just have a bit of happiness, a bit of joy in my life. It's been so long. It's been so long. And I don't know. Be nice to hear from somebody about, I don't know, anything. I hardly getting any comments on my videos. I don't know. It's probably not that interesting or something like that. But anyway, I hope to hear from you. Just wanted to say hello to Nate too. Thank you, Nate, for the encouragement, man.